Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
And this is our baby Annabelle. And we have amazing news.
Yeah, boy, do we. A ray of light has shone down from the heavens in the form of our architect.
Yes, I think it took weeks, but our architect got the Building and Safety Office to waive our requirement to install sprinklers.
Oh my God.
Which means we don't have to install sprinklers to change the meter of the street or the water line to the meter, which would have taken about 6 months, and we save about $40,000.
Oh yeah, at least $40,000. That's time, materials, costs, city fees. It's insane.
We're super excited because it almost makes this house worth it.
Yes. Now that we don't have to do fire sprinklers, we were finally able to get going on the house. The insulation and the drywall are in, and while it may seem counterproductive, homes actually feel bigger with the drywall up rather than just open framing. And I hadn't been there in weeks because what was I gonna go see? Nothing was happening. But I took Elizabeth the other day and we walked in and I was like, oh my God, this house is amazing. The master closet is enormous. We're gonna put an island in it. Yeah, there's gonna be an island with shelves. And there's a linen closet and a laundry room, not just a closet. And these things might not seem that exciting to a lot of you viewers, but in Los Angeles and the Valley, these homes were built in 1940, 50, 60. They didn't have any of these things I'm talking about. So these are really great things to add to a home when you're building it.
Tell them about the changes in the kitchen.
Ah, the kitchen, yeah. All right, so we were at a friend's house the other day, and they actually removed their kitchen island and extended their cabinets a few feet to replace that lost counter space. And I'd been toying with this idea for Bessemer, and I realized it's genius after seeing it in person. So it's gonna open up the living and the dining area enormously. This home is gonna feel amazing.
It looks amazing and it feels amazing. I don't know how much it comes through photos and videos, but when you walk in it, it's just like a cathedral.
Yeah, it wows.
See you next episode with a lot of changes in this property. Because we thought we don't have to do anything for about 6 months. We haven't thought about shopping. I haven't thought about shopping, but we have a lot to do. And Adolfo already called me this morning and said, we need a tile. So watch us because we have a lot to do.
All right, well, let's get working. That's okay, Annabelle. In the meantime, check us out at stonefarmenterprises.com and on Instagram and Facebook. And also at isabelwagnerdesign.com.